Cantrell's former bodyguard pleads not guilty in federal court.
Jeffrey Vappie's attorneys say his indictment was a side effect in a federal investigation aimed at the mayor, as Gabby Killett reports.
Jeff Vappie is collateral damage.
New Orleans Mayor LaToya Cantrell's former bodyguard, Jeffrey Vappie, pleads not guilty in federal court Friday morning. His attorneys, Harry Rosenberg and Sean Clark, make a public statement on the case against him for the first time.
But contrary to the U.S. Attorney's rhetoric, what the government has charged Jeff with are matters of personal conduct. They are not federal crimes.
Vappie is accused alongside the mayor of using taxpayer money to further a hidden relationship. He's charged with conspiracy, wire fraud, and lying to federal agents. We asked his attorneys about the alleged use of taxpayer dollars.
Harry, it's taxpayer money. What do you have to say about that?
And we're going to respond to the questions at the appropriate time. But honestly, on the courthouse steps is not the place to clear Jeff Vappie's name. It's in the court proceeding.
Vappie's attorneys did argue Vappie protected the citizens and later the mayor in his role as a New Orleans police officer for nearly 30 years.
He fulfilled those responsibilities with loyalty to the city and loyalty to the mayor.
Fox 8 legal analyst Joe Raspani says his attorney's comments could be a peek into Vappie's defense.
I think we got a glimpse of what their opening argument is going to be, or what they're going to tell the jury pool when they come in to see how they're going to feel about this.
In court, Magistrate Judge Karen Wells Roby sets Vappie's trial date for January 20th.
Is that a realistic timeline?
It's up in the air.
Cantrell's trial date is November 17th, but Raspani says the pair will have a joint trial unless attorneys file to sever their cases and a judge grants their request.
Whatever the dates are now, those aren't going to be the dates. They're going to have one trial date where they're both going to go to trial together.
Prosecutors said today that most of the charges against Vappie carry a maximum sentence of 20 years in federal prison and $250,000 in fines each.